Hello everyone, hello everywhere. We all played in full of radioactive precipitation. I only recently found out what this term actually means. Fallout. Well, not all of us have played Fallout, but many have at least heard of it. About this amazing series game, the universe of which will soon be generous to the TV series. The universe with a memorable retro-futurism style and design, the nature of presentation, satire, bugs, black humor, and absurd cloning of what is happening in this world. And of course, a memorable mascot, the symbol of this game, Vaultboy. For the sake of this, I have gathered you here. Let's plunge into a completely different world. Figurine, science fiction, and the game industry. They are licensed figurines, and you can easily buy them. But I am confused by what design was chosen and the quality of execution. More often we see bobbleheads from the first part, which are also in-game items to improve the characteristic of your main character. In addition, each has a unique design and history, which make them a real collectible thing inside the game, and in the real world too. I also have a desire to repeat the drawn character and give everyone the opportunity to print and to color it on their own. Let's see what I have today. Here we have the result of 3D printing. I poured photopolymer resin into the printer, it solidified there, and I got a physical embodiment of my model in reality. Next, the result needs to be washed, dried, and cleaned. So, enjoy the video sequence. You don't have to do it. Or you will have to, if you decide to buy my STL files here in this place, and to print figure yourself. And here I am again. As you saw, I cut the figure into pieces. Additionally, there are hands in different gestures, and hand with a revolver and pistol. Inside the parts a hole. The thickness is a little more than a millimeter. But in this print I didn't make drainage holes, and there was a little resin left inside the shell. I'm often told that the parts need to be disconnected from the support before drying and under warm water. I detach after drying. If you look at the small-scale production of printed models, the buyer receives the detail on the supports. I put myself in the consumer's place and test the break-off stage. In any case, there may be traces and potholes. And here I have another question: how to get rid of them? How to heal these scars? Here I made the number 13 on the back as a tribute to the original source. The most important element of the figurine is the head of the Vault Dweller. I think I did a good job of interpreting a flat character and transferring it to 3D space. This is a subtle art. Not many studios can boast of successfully reincarnating their characters in 3D format. I forgot to remove 3 stripes on this hand. You can immediately see the hint, and you can understand where I got these hands from. I'm the creator of a collection of Mickey Mouse hands with various gestures. If you need it, we can discuss the price. This is the same 10mm pistol that we get at the beginning of the game. I took the first revolver I came across, which I had in my archives. A long time ago I made a pendant in the form of Magnum 357, so he came handy for me. Finally, we can move on to the assembly. That the parts will fit together the first time. It's not even worth counting on. The size limit groove is the same everywhere. The parts fit each other differently. I don't think this is a serious problem. Now I am polishing everything quickly and checking every connection. Of course, you saw that in some places of the figure there are scars from the supports. This is an unpleasant moment, but next time I'll show you how to fix them. Well, that's where I finished the first part. See you in the next one. There I will probably paint the model. Thank you for watching to the end. It's incredible. I'm standing up and applauding you. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, like it, thank you for being active in the comments. These little insignificant things promote me. Many thanks to those who subscribe to Boosty and those who buy my models.